Hi everyone, Nima Rahmani here, Real Lawyer, here to talk about the lawsuit that was recently filed against Sofia Vergara and Netflix over the miniseries Griselda. Griselda Blanco's family have sued for violations of their image and their likeness, and this really comes down to publicity rights. Generally speaking, ordinary people have a right to their publicity and can prevent others from using it or paying damages. But I say ordinary people because public figures don't have those same rights necessarily. And generally speaking, if someone is newsworthy, the media and other entities can use their image, can use their likeness because it's newsworthy and there's less protection. Once you put yourself out in the public, you lose some of those publicity rights. So I think it's going to be a tough case for Michael Corleone Blanco, Griselda's son, to win, given how famous his mother was. She was, of course, the cocaine godmother, and probably as famous as Pablo Escobar. And in addition, there's generally more leeway for creative works or artistic expressions, and I'm sure Netflix and Vergara are going to say that's exactly what Griselda is. Now, he does have a better claim with respect to him and his other family members, to the extent that they're portrayed in Griselda, well, they're not public figures and they may not have lost those publicity rights. Michael may also have a claim for breach of contract, and when it comes to that issue, apparently he met with Netflix executives and talked about his mother and his family, and to the extent that there wasn't an agreement between Michael and producers, he may have a claim if they stole his ideas. But in my experience, usually the networks and the production companies make sure that people they meet with sign agreements saying that, hey, we can use what's said here and you don't have any right to it. This is something that's pretty standard here in Hollywood. Now, the reason we're talking about publicity rights and not defamation is that you can't defame the dead. So even though the Blanco family is upset how Griselda and they've been portrayed in the miniseries, there's nothing they could do, at least with respect to Griselda herself. But publicity rights in many states, including California where Netflix is headquartered, last 20 years after someone is deceased. That's why you see the family pursuing the publicity rights and not defamation in this case. Thanks everyone for watching. We're going to be following this case, and make sure to, as always, like, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications.